Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Matt with Green Bar Trading. Welcome back to another trade breakdown video. So, what did I do yesterday when we were seeing some really FOMO buying after FOMC, after Powell spoke? And how did I take advantage of that? So, obviously, you can tell by the title that we made 158% on these puts that I took yesterday. So the profit on this was $844. And all it took was some technical analysis and some history. Okay. A lot of people that may watch my channel know that I say this all the time. History does not have to repeat itself, but it almost always does. So we saw the exact same action off FOMC last month. We saw when Powell spoke, the market went straight up. And then the next day, we saw the market sell off. So that's exactly what happened again yesterday. So what was I doing? And what did we trade? So we traded Meta, okay? And at this point, and I'll just show you guys here, at this point, I only cared about getting in a tech stock. That's it. It didn't matter what tech stock that I got in, but the price was cheap. The options were cheap. So I got into Meta. Now, this is yesterday at 336. NASDAQ up 4%. I'm going to short a tech stock. Meta. Meta is the one. So, in my opinion, and I wrote here at 335, I wouldn't be surprised if tomorrow was a huge down day. This was all here before anything ever happened today. This is written when the NASDAQ was up 4%. So we're seeing huge moves to the upside, and I'm going short. And I told the group that I'm going short. Just my opinion, not financial advice. Everybody can do what they want, but this is just simple stuff here. If you guys listen to Powell and if you watch the FOMC come out and what they're doing and what the entire world is doing, you kind of assume that this was going to happen today. This is not shocking to me. So this is where I got short. Now, I want to show you because I don't only look at the stock that I'm trading, but I look at our key levels on the NASDAQ, the QQQ, because I'm trading a tech stock. We were coming up to this key level right here. This is a key level that I wanted to get short off of. And this was at about 330, 335. This is when I was posting in there that I'm going short. I'll show you guys here on my platform. And you can see that I got filled at 332 and 22 seconds for $278 a contract. So that is $556 that I spent yesterday. And I closed out for $1,400 right when the market opened. Because we were already down so much, I'm not about to get greedy and, not close it out. Especially being up 158%, that's just way too greedy. It's not the way that I trade. I loved the gap down. We were down, at that point over 2.5% on the NASDAQ. So that was totally fine with me. So I took the profit right there and sold for 14, and that's $844 of profit. Seeing the market push up and then get the rejection off of that key level that we post every day in our Discord, that gave me huge confidence to get in Meta short right here. So let's see if I could pull this up on a bigger chart. Now, Meta has been selling off like the rest of the market. Really, really big sell-offs. But what I loved, and this purple line on the weekly, and this is something that I posted in our Sunday picks for the week on our Discord, is to watch this area here. We saw a bounce off this weekly trend line that goes back 3 years. Well, we broke under it. And what did we do? We retested that. So on the retest of that was even better of a fill. We retested that area, and that's when I got in short right here. So right here you can see that 3:30 time turned out to be the most perfect entrance. So that's why I ended up holding this for that huge gap down. I got such a good fill, even though I was in the money right away, and in the money pretty big. I decided to hold this for today. So, sometimes you got to take that risk. You have to use history and what has happened, with the technicals to your advantage. And that's what we did here. So that was really great. Nice trade. Very happy with that trade. But we are seeing the market just totally sell off. So this is our key levels. This is something that we post every day. And we're breaking down to the bottom of this area. Really wild moves in the stock market. So hope that you guys enjoyed this quick trade breakdown, and why I ended up taking a put when the NASDAQ is up 4%, and why I held it for the big gap down the next day. And that's 158% gain, $844 in about 30 minutes of market time. So buying it at 3:30, the market closed at 4, and then selling it right on the open. I like to do that, but only if I really have a very strong probability of that trade working out. So hit the thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe. We'll see you back tomorrow with another one. Take care, guys.